ito ang mga rason bakit kailangan nyo mag-avail right now here in Montana Heights, Calamba, Laguna. Una, ito ay single attached unit sa Montana Heights, Calamba with a 80 square meter lot area and 60 square meter floor area with a carport na. Next, it's a prime location residences na along National Highway pa. Tapos, prime location, 5 minutes away to SM Calamba and 10 minutes away lang sa SLEX. For as low as 200k down payment lang. Tapos 18 to 20k monthly amortization through Pag-ibig Financing. Tapos, complete turnover pa dito. May tiles, may partition, may paint, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath na. So guys, complete amenities pa tayo dito. Meron tayong pool, basketball court, parks and playground, with a 24 hours security na CCTV around the road. Guys, ready for occupancy na. Lipat agad within 1 year ang unit dito here in Montana Heights, Calamba. So for inquiry guys, call or text nyo lang ako sa number na makikita nyo sa outro dito sa video. So that's it guys, wait ko kayo. Limited lang ang may offer dito. See you!